one is? Folks, this is the 1971 world famous Phantom Cuda. The car that came back to life that they said couldn't be brought back. 5 years ago we delivered it to the owners, the new owners, and it looks as good today as the day it left. Here's a testimony to quality. This is one of 108 446 barrel 4-speed 71 Cudas. The new owner in Switzerland has requested that we put dual sport mirrors, which we have on there now, the gull wing, and front chin spoilers. So we did add those to it. There is the beautiful 446 barrel engine with the correct 959 radiator thing. Original KV hoses for the evaporative emission. There's your cables for your fresh air doors. Shaker emblem on the hood, decal. This is the one that Auto Metal Direct's installation center helped us with. And they did a beautiful job. It's got a little bit of detailing on it to do, and then it is going home. Well, its new home, which is in Switzerland. Look at that beautiful thing. This is a 354 Dana car. Has an original 70 354 Dana that we got from Tony D'Agostino. There's our fender tag. For those of you gurus out there. Key one right there, N96, A33, bucket seat car, Tour red, black interior, and of course the famous E87 with a D21. Take a look inside. Pretty plain car, vinyl interior, 4-speed. Oh yeah, he had us add the console. This is not a console car. He wanted a console added, so we did. It is also a standard dash car. It's not a rally instrument car. Here's your trim panels. ECS provided us with the VIN label for the driver's door. One more time, let's listen to that cam. That's a Comp Cam 292. Stay tuned for the next season of Graveyard Cars. You'll see why this car came back, what we did to it, and where it's going. Thanks, guys.